Hello guys, welcome back with the third regular Sudoku in this newspaper of Wednesday. Yes, it's still Wednesday, July the 28th, 2021. Three regular Sudokus we have in this newspaper, and there's also an additional with 6 extra puzzles. The first two, the medium and the binary, I've already solved. So the third one, a Killer Sudoku. So this one will be a number 3162. Alright. And only two given numbers, 3 and 4. Alright, so let's get started. And the first question is, can we see here? My strategy is to find a big square with only one sharing box. Here we have two sharing boxes in this big square. Here also two. Here one sharing box. So I can use this is always mirrored. So we have a big square there. So there we have also a big square with one sharing box. So we have two big squares. Three boxes of 11. 3 times 11 is 33. 33 plus 6 is 39. You know, the total sum of a big square is always 45. The total sum of a column is always 45. The total sum of a row is always 45. So 45 minus 39. 45 minus 39 is a 6. So this box should be a 6. Alright. Alright. So in the box of 14, the combination here will be 6 plus 8. Alright. Now, in this big square, we have one sharing box. Let me do this first. 8 plus 12 is equal to 20 plus 10, 30, 39. 39, that means in this box, 45 minus 39 is again a 6. Okay. Coincidence, 6, 6. All right. So in the box of 10, the combination will be 6 plus 4. Okay, now in this big square, we have the same as that big square. One sharing box. Here also one sharing box. So 8 plus 8 is 16. Plus 10, 26. Plus 13, 39. 39 again. So this box should be also a 6. In the box of 14, the combination will be 6 plus 8. Okay. Now in this big square, we have one sharing box. Okay, let me do this box. 4 plus 10 is 14 plus 14. Wait. 14 plus 16 is 30. 30 plus 14 is 44. So this box should be a 1. 45 minus 44 is a 1. Okay. In the box of 8, the combination will be 1 plus 7. Alright, now I have a big square with one sharing box. Okay, 9 plus 11 is 20. 20 plus 9 is 29. 29 plus 7 is equal to 36. 36. That means 36. 45 minus 36 is a 9. This box should be a 9. We have here the box of 17. The combination here will be 9 plus 6. No. 9 plus 8. Correction. All right. Now I have a big square with only one sharing box. Okay. Let's go back to this big square. 13 plus 7 is 20. 20 plus 8. Wait. 20 plus 16 is 36. 36 plus 8 is 44. Again, 44. 45 minus 44 4 is a 1. Okay. So in this box of 8, the combination here will be 1 plus 7. Alright. So now I have a big square with only one sharing box here. Here also one sharing box. Okay. 8 plus 7 is 15. Here also 14 plus 11 is 25. 25 plus 15 is 40. 40 plus 3 is 43. So 45 minus 45 minus 43 is a 2. This box should be a 2. 2 plus 3 is 5. 5 plus 9 in this triple box is equal to 14. Okay, we go back to this big square. 7 plus 4 is 11. 11 plus 11 is 22. 22 plus 18. 14 plus 4 is 18. 22 plus 18 is 40. 40. So 45 minus 40 is a 5. This box should be a 5. In this triple box of 16, the combination will be 4 plus 5 is 9. 9 plus 7 is equal to 16. Oh, alright. So I have solved all the big squares with one sharing box. Now, my second strategy is to find boxes with only one combination. For example, the box of 16. Only one combination for the box of 16. 9 plus 7. 9 plus 7. Let me mark those two boxes. 9 and 7. Let me see. Well, in this big square, we have 3 boxes of 11. One of the missing number in this big square is the number 1. Well, I cannot place a 1 in a box of 11, of course. Otherwise, 1 plus 10. 10 is not allowed. The highest number I can use is a 9. So the 1 should be in a box of 6. The combination here will be 1 plus 5. 1 plus 5. So 1 box left in this row for the number 4. Okay. So those two boxes together in this triple box of 9 should be a 5. 4 plus 5 is equal to 9. Okay, let me see. Are there boxes with only one combination? No. No. No, okay. Let me see. 3. Okay, we have 8 in this column, 8 in the second column. So in the first column, the only 2 places for the 8 should be here or there. In the box of 11, the combination will be 8 plus 3. 8 plus 3, alright. This is a 9, okay. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 3. We have a 3 in one of those 2 boxes in the first column. So no 3s in those 3 boxes. So 3 should be in a box of 7. The combination here will be 3 plus 4, 3 plus 4. So what are the other 3 missing numbers in this big square? 1, the 2 is missing, 3, 4. The 5 is missing. 1, 5. 2, 1, 2, 5, 1, 2, no, yeah, 1, 2, 5 are missing, 1, 2, 5, and look, we have a 1 and 5 here in this row, so no 1 and 5 in this box. The 1 and 5 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 1 plus 5 plus 2, is this correct? No, we have here 13, it's not correct. It's not correct. Oh, we already have a 1 here. So it's not the 1 and a 5. It's supposed to be the 5 and a 6. 5 and a 6. Correction, 5 and a 6. So 2, 5 and a 6. 2, 5 and a 6. We have a 5 and a 6 in this third row. So no 5 and a 6 in this box. The 5 and a 6 goes in those 2 boxes. So 1 digit left in this big square for the number 2, 2 boxes left in this row. Third row for the numbers 3 and 9. Let me mark those 2 boxes, 9 and a 3. One of the boxes I've overlooked with one combination. We have a box of 4. One combination for the box of 4. Only the combination 1 plus 3. 1 plus 3. We see here 3, no 3 there. 3 should be here. And the 1 goes there. Now we have a 3 there. So this box can be 3 anymore. That box should be a 3. And this box should be a 4. Alright. 4 in the third row. 4 in the second row. So in the first row, the only 3 places for the 4 should be here, here, or there. We see there 4, no 4 there. So the 4 in this column, so no 4 there. We have a 4. So the only place for the 4 should be here. In the box of 9, the combination will be 4 plus 5. Alright. 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 1. We see here 1, no 1 in these 3 boxes. So 1 box left for the 1 should be here. In the box of 8, the combination will be 1 plus 7. The other pair in this big square should be the numbers 2 and 8. Let me mark those 2 boxes, 2 and 8. Now we have a 7 there, so this box can be 7 and 1. That box should be a 7, and this box should be a 9. Alright. Now we have a 5 there, so this box can be 5 in the moon. That box should be a 5, and this box should be a 6. Alright. So we have a 6 in this row, 6 in the third row. So the row will be 3 in the second row. The only place for the 6 should be there. In the box of 14, the combination will be 6 plus 8. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers 2 and 9. Let me mark those 2 boxes. I cannot fill this yet. Alright. So we have a 1 in this column, 1 in the column next. So in that column, the only 2 places for the 1 should be here. In the box of 9, the combination will be 1 plus 8. Now we have an 8 in one of those 2 boxes in this column. So this box cannot be an 8 anymore. That box should be an 8. And this box should be a 2. 2 numbers left in this column. 1, 2, the 3 and the 7 are missing in this column. 3 and a 7. Let me mark those 2 boxes. 7 and a 3. Alright. One of the missing number in this big square is the number 2. Well, I cannot place the 2 in the box of 11. Otherwise, the combination will be 2 plus 9. The 9 is already used. So the 2 should be here. In the box of this triple box of 9. And those 2 boxes together should be a 5. So 2 plus 3 is 5. Plus 4 is 9. So 2 and 3 goes there as a pair. 2 and 3, the other pair in this big square should be the numbers 6 and 5. 6 and 5. Let me mark those 2 boxes. Alright. So we have a 6 in this column, 6 in one of those 2 boxes in the column next. So in the last column, the only 3 places for the 6 should be here, here, or there. We see there 6, no 6 there. So the 6 is in the box of 14. Then the combination here will be 6 plus 8. 6 plus 8, we see there an 8, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 6 goes there. So we have an 8 in this row, 8 in the middle row. So the row above, the only 2 places for the 8 should be here or there. We see there an 8, no 8 there. 8 should be there. In the box of 9, the combination will be 8 plus 1. Alright, 1 in this column, 1 in the middle column. So the column next, the only 2 places for the 1 should be here, together with the number 6 in the box of 7. Yes, 6 plus 1 is equal to 7. Alright. One of the missing number in this big square is the number 9. We are missing the 9 in this big square. So I can place the 9 in the box of 11 or in the box of 14. If I place it in the box of 11, then the combination will be 9 plus 2. 9 plus 2 is equal to 11. Well, the 2 is already used, so I cannot place it here in the box of 11. The 9 should be in the box of 14. Then the combination will be 9 plus 5. 9 plus 5. Let me mark those 2 boxes. The other pair in this big square should be the numbers 4 and 7. 4 and 7. We see here 7, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and a 4 goes there. We have a 5 in one of those two boxes in this row, so this box cannot be a 5 anymore. That box should be a 5, and this box should be a 6. Now we have a 6 there, so this box cannot be 6 anymore. That box should be a 6, and this box should be a 1. Now we have a 1 here, so this box cannot be 1 anymore. That box should be a 1, and this box should be an 8. Now we have a 8 there, so this box cannot be 8 anymore. That box should be an 8. And this box should be a 3. Alright. Now we have a 3 there. So this box can't be 3 anymore. That box should be a 3. And this box should be a 2. Alright. 2 numbers left in this row. The last row for the numbers 2 and 9. We see here 9. No 9 there. 9 should be here. And the 2 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 7 and 4. 7 and 4. Here we have 1 and a 5. We see here the 7. No 7 there. 7 should be here. And a 4 goes there. So, let me see. Okay, we have a 9 in the third column, 9 in the second column. So the first column, the only 3 places for the 9 should be here, here, or there. We see there 9, no 9 there. So the 9 is in the box of 13. The combination will be 9 plus 4, 9 plus 4. We see there 4, no 4 there. 4 should be here. And the 9 goes there. So we have a 9 in this row, 9 in that row. So the row between the middle row, the only place for the 9 should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 2 and 5. 2 and 5. 2 and 5. We see here 5, no 5 there. 5 should be here and the 2 goes there. Now we have 9 here. So this box can be 9 anymore. That box will be a 9. And this box will be a 3. Alright. Now we have a 9 here, so this box can be 9 anymore. That box should be a 9, and this box should be a 5. 1 box left in this column. 1, 2, the 3 is missing. Yes, 3 is missing. Now we have a 3 there, so this box can be 3 anymore. That box should be a 3, and this box should be a 7. 3 in this row, 3 in the middle row. So the row above, the only place for the 3 should be there. 1 number left in the box of 8. The combination here will be 3 plus 5. Alright. So we have a 5 in this row, 5 in the middle row. So the row below, the only 2 places for the 5 should be here. Or there, we see there 5, no 5 there. 5 should be there. In the box of 9, the combination will be 5 plus 4. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 2 and 6. 2 and 6. We see here 6, no 6 there. 6 should be here and a 2 goes there. Now we have a 2 there. So this box can be 2 anymore. That box should be a 2 and this box should be a 9. 1 box left in the middle row for the number 1. Now we have a 1 here. So this box can be 1 anymore. That box should be a 1 and this box should be a 5. And the final 2 numbers of this big square for the numbers 2 and 7. 2 and 7. We see here 7, no 7 there. 7 should be here and the 2 goes there. Finish in 18 minutes. Wow. For Sudoku Mix or Killer Sudoku, I need 20 to 30 minutes to solve. So I'm very well pleased with the time. 18 minutes. So I like this one. Yes, I like this one. I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching. And I will see you later on, maybe in the evening, for the rest of the puzzles in the additional. Until then, take care, stay healthy, and keep on puzzling. Have a great and fantastic Wednesday, and see you later. Bye bye for now.